Fading up.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
For the first time in Australia, autistic students are undertaking an autism-friendly introduction to a journalism course.
They will be mentored by one of Australia's best journalists.
This is a chance to work with people who haven't really had a voice in media.
The students will interview some of Australia's most famous people.
Hello. Hello. Our rules are no subjects are out of bounds, no questions are off the table, and anything can happen.
Welcome to the assembly.
Oh my God, this is so exciting.
What are the last sounds you'd like to hear in life?
What a question.
What is your favourite thing about yourself?
Are you a really annoying dad?
Who is the meanest Prime Minister you've met?
Wow, what a question.
It's not very often you get to talk to the Prime Minister of Australia.
Be gentle on me. Lee isn't always gentle.
You think making people laugh is the same as making people happy? And does it make you happy?
Nice.
Nobody else is going to stand up for you, so you do it for yourself.
What is the best lesson you learnt from your parents?
I don't know why that question has moved me so much, but it has.
Going in for the hug again.
Oh, definitely, come in.
I love this because that's questions that I've never got before.
Got plenty more of those.
What is the moment that you have looked back on in your career and thought, how did I get away with that?
To be honest, when you put it like that, I do sound like a wanker.
You are 40 this year.
Oh, Jackson. Everyone's come up with great questions. I feel like I don't have that many tips to give because they're all very good.
A few worried people upstairs here worried about their jobs at the ABC because of you guys.
I've never smiled like this before.
What a life highlight this has been, and thank you.
This is a dream come true.